Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I don't need to be in a fancy coat and tie and have all books and look really gussied up to impress you. I have been on the national news about 10 times. I've been on Fox Business twice, ABC, The Briefing Room, CBS, NBC, Newsmax, News Nation. I've been on all the major news stations. Whatever I tell you is pretty much what you need to know. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for actually 4 decades. And I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. We've been doing this. We have about 250 years of direct work experience. You can see all my videos, and more important, my team at 777irs.com. You can see me in a nice coat and tie, and more, like I said, my team. I want to talk to you today about everything that you need to know about tax debt forgiveness. You know, some of the sickening things that I see on YouTube and the advertising and marketing is all the ads for tax debt forgiveness. What my big fear is that people make knee-jerk reactions and they start picking companies based on that. These companies can tell them that they can settle their debt for pennies on a dollar. On this phone right here, you have no idea how many calls I get by people who've tried to hire companies and they have been ripped off. Don't do that. Just please listen to what I have to say. I'm a national expert in this. I did this at IRS. I accepted offers in compromise. I denied offers in compromise. I was a teaching instructor for the program. Peter Salinger and myself, Peter's worked over 3,500 offers in compromise. He's on my team. There's probably no two people in the United States know more about offers in compromise than we. I mean, I should. I've been here since the earth is cooled, so I should know something. Anyway, I'm going to give you just a couple things that you need to know. There is only one tax debt forgiveness program, and it's called the offer in compromise. Tax debt can go away through a bankruptcy, through certain litigation that the liability was wrong. The statute of limitations can expire. But for the offer in compromise, for your debt to go away, you have to file an offer in compromise. That offer in compromise is really composed of 2 main parts. What are your assets? IRS wants to know what the values are, and IRS wants to know what your income and expense ratios are. IRS has certain formulas within those parameters to come up with their formula to accept the offer in compromise. I got a bunch of videos on those formulas and what to do. I just want you to know this. There is only one program, the offer and compromise. These things that you hear, Fresh Start and Bidenomics and this and that, and you better call me about this and this and this, those programs old do not exist. Only the 656 form, which you make the offer on, and the 433A OIC are the 2 forms that you send the IRS. I know I've looked at thousands of them. But anyway, at the end of the day, if you're going to hire someone, make sure you hire either an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, former IRS agents. We're the best because actually we know what we're doing. The reason you want to hire those are the only people that can represent you in front of Internal Revenue Service. Nobody else can. So when you get on the phone and you want to talk to someone about your problem, if they're not an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, former IRS agent, hang up the phone because you're speaking to a salesman. Remember, there's one program, the offer and compromise program. There's no other program. IRS tax debt settlement may come across like this and like this. One program. If you're going to do this, you have to have all your tax returns filed, and if you're self-employed, you have to have all your estimate payments up to date. You want me to look at your offer, work your offer, represent you, I can. Give me a subscription if you would. Like I said, we're national experts. We can help you in any IRS matter. Thank you so much for listening. Look at my other videos. Give me a subscription. Once again, thank you.